Hey guys, Jack Neely here with MarineMax St. Petersburg. I am on board the Boston Whaler 33 Outrage, and this is a great boat for the family man and also that hardcore fisherman. I'm gonna run through this boat quickly and just show you what this boat is spec'd out to do and also why I like it so much. Come aboard. Starting in the aft position of this Boston Whaler 33 Outrage, you're met with Mercury 425s with a matching mohawk. I mean, it is a cool little touch to match the engine cowlings to your gel coat to the underside of your T-top as well. It is just bizarre to me that they used to make these boats with 300s. The 425s really gives you that top end so that you guys can fly by through the pass and really look sexy with that mohawk as well. As we make our way into the boat, like I said, with this being a family-friendly boat and also a hardcore fishing boat, me personally, this is a ton of room for fishing capabilities. If you're bottom fishing, if you're trolling, I mean, we've got bolsters here that are perfectly level so that you feel safe when you're actually digging up those fish from offshore. Here in the aft, we do have a 44-gallon live well. So this is also opted as a cooler. All you'll need to do is close that seacock and she's insulated. When we're talking about it being a hosting boat, or when you guys are just making those long trips, we've got a forward-facing aft seat. We've got a nice little touch that Boston Whaler does is we have a designated spot for your 5-gallon bucket. So if you're ever chumming or if you're just throwing the casting in there, it's a really great spot to, hide it out of the way so it's not running around the deck so much. Over here, we have our really, really large dive door. So this will opt as a tuna door as well. So if you're pulling in that 4-foot ladyfish, it's a great area for it. But also if you guys are diving and you wanted to get in and out of the boat really easy, there's actually a very large ladder that we install here so that you can get in the boat a little bit easier. And also a nice grab handle to come in and out. Before we leave the cockpit of this boat, you'll notice that we are met with a ton of JL audio. This 33 Outrage is equipped with the advanced audio package. So you'll actually have the best JL audio system on the market in this boat so that you can be confident that you're not going to ruin it with salt water or if you're just, being real rough on the boat. This boat's also equipped with a summer kitchen, a nice prep station with a large tub over here if you want to throw some ice and just have something ready for the folks that are jumping on the boat. Below us here, you can see that we are met with a 65 quart Yeti cooler. So this is also a nice area to stow some drinks. And keep in mind too, with these Boston Whalers is everything is foam filled. So underneath us here are our fish boxes for the catch that your guys are bringing in. But also if you guys wanted to opt those for a large cooler, in case you guys were running to the Bahamas, it's a nice little touch. As we make our way into the Helm, you'll notice that we have everything that the captain needs, but it's also really sleek design. So we have an acrylic dash with our twin Simrads. So our Simrads have pretty much everything integrated to these screens, like your lights, your pumps, I mean, you name it. It's all integrated here, but you also have the redundant rocker switches up top. Over here we have our electric binnacle. Everybody knows about this. And then we have our Mercury joystick. So this is nice if you guys were ever in a really tight slip and it was blowing real hard, you can actually walk this boat sideways really easy. And this joystick also will opt as a autopilot. So when I'm running far offshore and I don't want to stay on the wheel, maybe veer off course a little bit because of those waves, you can just hit a heading hold or just press go to on your Simrad. The whole boat will drive herself. All you have to do is control the RPMs. Another nice feature up here on the Helm, we have a little step. So if you guys were ever a little bit shorter and you needed a little bit more of a vantage point, this will actually bring you up a couple inches so that you can actually see everybody on the bow, but more importantly, you can actually see off the boat a little bit more. Boston Whaler does do it really well though. all of our helm seats and the seats up on the bow are equipped so that you can actually see the water really well. So we have thought that you don't want to feel like you're inside the boat too much. You want to actually be able to see the water, because that's what boating is like. And that's why we made these seats this tall. And we have the nice sized armrests to make you feel tight and secure. Before we make our way up into the bow, I'll actually take you down into the head of this boat. So when I talk about it being a family-friendly boat, we are actually met with a vacuum flush head system, same as an RV, and you will have a black water tank on the boat. So you could pull up to some of the fuel docks around St. Pete or wherever this boat's going to live and just pump out. Nice area to stow some gear as well for those long trips if you're going over to the Bahamas. It's very oversized, so it's a great area to stow a lot of stuff. On this 33 Outrage as well, you have the option to have an isinglass package. Right now we do have it taken off so that we can walk around the boat, but if you were ever in some foul weather or if you were running the boat in the winter time, you can actually completely enclose this helm area to keep everybody out of the elements. But let's make our way over to the bow. Up here on the bow of the 33 Outrage, you're met with a very, very large front lounger. When I say that this is a family-friendly boat, this is the hotspot for the family. So you've got a ton of seating up here and a ton of storage. One thing to note about our Outrage series is we have designated spots for your 5-gallon buckets, but a super, super large storage compartment. So you can actually throw all of your rods down low and lock them up. So if you guys are on a trip renting an Airbnb and you didn't want to bring those rods up to the house, you can actually stuff it down here and go ahead and lock it and not worry about somebody coming on the boat stealing. Here in the deck, we actually have another fish box. This is a great area just to stow some more drinks, or if you filled up those fish boxes with all those ladyfish, this is your extra fish box. Talking about the advanced JL audio package on this boat as well, we do have a remote control that is for your stereo system so that you can turn it up, turn it down, whatever. On this 33 Outrage as well, we of course are met with a windlass, and this is all remote control right here, or you can control it from the helm. With this being a hardcore fishing boat, most of our customers are installing a trolling motor, and that is easily done here at MarineMax St. Petersburg. But thank you for joining me on the walkthrough of this 33 Outrage. My name is Jack Neely. Come on down and check her out.